Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making a Palak Paneer Pulao. This Palak Paneer Pulao is delicious as well as nutritious. Made using spinach and cottage cheese, this is a very easy and quick recipe to make. You can make this recipe as a one-pot meal, but it's ideal for lunch boxes, dinners, or even when you've invited any friends or family for dinner. Palak, also known as spinach, has a very high nutritional value. Also, it's a very good source of vitamins, minerals, and iron. Not to mention that it prevents asthma, blood pressure, and improves bone health. And paneer is a very good source of protein, also very yummy. So without any further delay, let's start cooking! To make our Palak Paneer Pulao, we will need 200 grams of a spinach paste, 1 big onion, 150 grams of cubed paneer, 1 cup of basmati rice, 1 big green pepper, 1 big tomato, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of ghee, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of a green chili paste, 1 tablespoon of a ginger paste, a couple of cloves, 1 star anise, 1 stick of cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, a couple of bay leaves, a couple of dry curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of crushed coriander seeds, and my mum's special spice box, along with 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil into a heated pan, along with our 1 tablespoon of ghee, then we'll just let the ghee melt. Then once the ghee has melted, we're going to add in our bay leaves, curry leaves, cloves, star anise, cinnamon, black cardamom, and our coriander seeds. Along with 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and then we'll just saute that for around 1 minute. Then we're going to add in our garlic and our ginger paste, along with our chili paste, and give that a little mix. Before we add in our onion, and mix it again. Now, as you can see, the onion has become a little translucent. We're going to add in our green bell pepper, juicy red tomato, and give it a good mix. Now that we've mixed it well, we're going to add in our garam masala, one teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder before we mix it well. Then we're going to add in our full of protein cubes of paneer and then give it a good mix. If you like our videos, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing recipes. As you can see, our spinach paste is still nice and green, as when we were making the paste, we added in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of oil so that it can retain its colour. So we'll just add that in and mix it in with the other ingredients. Then we're going to add in our amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. And just give that a quick mix. Before we add in our soaked rice. Before we soaked this rice, we had washed it a couple of times. We soaked this rice for around 1 hour, so as you can see now it's gone a bit puffy. We'll just add that in and then mix it in. For soaking that 1 cup of rice, we use 2 cups of water so that it can actually soak into the water. And then once you've gave it a nice mix, we're going to cover it and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes on a low flame. It's been around 10 minutes and we're just going to give our biryani a little stir so that the rice gets cooked nicely. You have to be really gentle with it as the rice is nice and soft and you don't want to break all the rice. And then once you've gave it a nice stir, we're just going to cover it and cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes. It's been around 8 minutes and as you can see, all the water has evaporated and it looks really yummy. Now it's time for plating. Wow, this looks so delicious. We're going to have this with some plain yogurt, but it tastes delicious by itself too. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!